Hey guys, I'm Arya from Blink, and today we are going to learn how you can optimize your app for SEO and GEO. Before we start optimizing, let's quickly understand what SEO and GEO actually mean. You must have seen when you search for things on Google, certain websites get shown before the other websites. For example, here I searched for best AI data analysis tools, and the first result was a tool called Julius AI. Now, as a person who is searching for best AI data insights tool, you would most likely click on the first result or the second one. So the companies ranking first often get more users to their app. That's exactly what we want to do with SEO optimization. We want to rank our AI data insights platform at the top. SEO optimization or search engine optimization basically helps search engines like Google, Bing, and Edge understand what your app is, who it is for, and when they should show it to people. The more optimized your SEO is, the higher you rank for users who are looking for tools like yours. Now, GEO is the same idea but for AI tools. Today, people don't only search on Google, they ask ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and other AI tools things like what is the best AI data analysis tool in 2026. GEO or Generative Engine Optimization basically helps these AI tools understand your app better. So your app has a higher chance of being mentioned or recommended in those answers when people ask these AI tools about apps like yours. So in simple words, SEO helps your app get discovered on search engines like Google, Bing, and Edge. GEO, on the other hand, helps your app get discovered through AI answers on platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity. And this is important because building the app is only step one. If people can't find your app, they can't use it. Alright, now let's see how you can optimize for SEO and GEO on Blink directly. You do not need to connect to any third-party tools and go through a very long process. It's very simple on Blink. You just need to navigate to the dashboard tab on the top navigation and then navigate to SEO and AI search. Once you're there, you'll be able to see an option to run your first audit. There's a blue run scan option. Now, one thing that is very important to note here is that you need to publish your app before you can run an SEO and AI search audit. You can see our app has already been published. If you want to learn how you can publish your app, we have an in-depth tutorial about that on our channel. Alright, now let's run our first scan, and then Blink will tell us about what is right and what is wrong about our SEO and GEO. Okay, Blink has now come up with a score for us. We have scored 78, which is not bad at all. And it has scored us on 5 different criterias, and it has run 272 checks on our app. And it has found 63 issues for us. And it also lists the kind of issues we have. You can take a look at it here. Now, it's very easy to fix these issues. You just need to click on optimize with Blink, and it basically creates a prompt for us that will fix everything for you. We just need to submit that. Blink will now work on it and come back to us with the fixes implemented. Alright, the agent has now come back with all the fixes that were required to make the website optimized. Now the next step here is to hit publish and deploy these changes. So let's do that. We'll click on publish changes. It will build the package, upload the files, and deploy it. Now let's go to the dashboard tab here and check if our score has improved or not. We can see it's 78, which was the score given to us. Let's click on scan again. Now you can see our score has improved by 8 points to 86. Also, it's important to note here that you need to keep allow search engine indexing on for search engines to show your website at the top. And that's how easy it is to optimize your app for SEO and GEO on Blink.